Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 2A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF in the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 9368238, where you can get your assignments at your WhatsApp. So you have to just say hi, or you can call also. We provide also the online classes for this you need, so you can contact. So question number 2A is distinguish between the primary data and the secondary data for statistical investigation. This question is taken from lesson 6 and the word limit is 40 to 60 words. We have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need answers, you can contact us today and we will provide all the answers today also. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.